In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Clickup Chrome extension. Whether you're looking to streamline your productivity or simply want an easier way to manage your tasks, this guide is just for you. So, let's jump right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Clickup website. You can easily do this by opening your browser and typing in the Clickup URL, or you can follow any bookmarked links if you have one saved. Once you've reached the home page, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner. Click on it to initiate the login process. Next, you'll see several sign-in options displayed. For ease and convenience, select Continue with Google. This will prompt you to choose your Google account. Just click on the account you usually use with Clickup and follow any additional prompts to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left panel on your Clickup dashboard. You'll want to navigate to your specific workspace or space from here. This is where you manage all your projects and tasks, so take a moment to ensure you're in the correct space before moving forward. Now, open a new tab in your browser to visit the Chrome Web Store. This is where we'll be searching for the Clickup extension. In the search bar, just type in Clickup and be sure to check for the official extension to avoid any confusion or mistakenly downloading an incorrect tool. After identifying the correct extension, click on it to be taken to its dedicated store page. Here, you'll find a button labeled Add to Chrome. Click on this, then confirm by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up window. Doing this will download and integrate the extension with your browser. Great, you've got the Clickup Chrome extension installed. To easily access it at any time, go ahead and pin the extension to your browser toolbar. Simply click on the puzzle piece icon, usually located towards the upper right of Chrome, and then click the pin next to the Clickup extension. Once pinned, click on the extension icon and log in using your Clickup account information. This is crucial, as you'll need to be signed in to get the full range of features the extension offers. Now that you're all set up, let's explore some of the efficient functionalities at your fingertips. With the Clickup Chrome extension, you can effortlessly create new tasks, jot down quick notes in the notepad, draft emails, capture screenshots for visual communication, and even track your time efficiently all in one place. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool to help you stay ahead of your tasks and projects. Enjoy your newly enhanced productivity setup with the Clickup Chrome extension. Thank you for joining me, and happy task managing.